This is our planet Mother Earth. This is the Milky Way galaxy where we all live in a tiny fragment of it. There are billions of galaxies like the Milky Way in our universe, with trillions of stars and planets. Scientists have evidence proving that life can be found beyond the Earth. This is Mars. Mars is one of the first planets that come to the minds of anyone who has asked this question. And, indeed, it deserves to be. Besides being located right in the habitable zone of the solar system, Mars also has traces of water on it, and it is implied that Mars once had oceans and seas just like the Earth. Except that by now, it has grown very, very cold. Currently, a typical summer day on Mars near the equator is around 20 degrees Celsius. However, it can easily go down to -73 degrees Celsius at night. Another defect is the lack of oxygen on Mars. Mars has around 96% of carbon dioxide and only free traces of oxygen, which might amount to around 0.1%. Proxima Centauri b. This planet is also, of course, within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. Scientists suggest that it may also have water if the right climatic conditions are present over there. It is around 4.3 light-years away. Less, according to cosmological distance, but a lot in terms of our measurements. However, despite its habitable nature, it is feared that the planet might be tidally locked to the Sun, i.e. it may not rotate at all. Assumptions about oxygen being present or not cannot be made as of now. It's a very unlikely contender, but I just felt it should be on the list. Kepler 452b. Also called Coruscant by NASA, referring to the famous Star Wars fictional place, this is commonly known as Earth 2.0. Orbiting the star Kepler 452, around 1,400 light-years away from Earth, this was the first rocky planet actually discovered in July 2015. It's within the habitable zone of Kepler 452, which is a very Sun-like star. It's not surely known if the planet is rocky, but due to its small radius and fairly moderate density, it is assumed that it is. The planet may also be subject to the greenhouse effect to the extent seen in Venus, and that may make it very uninhabitable. However, these are trivial worries. The main disadvantage is that at our current high speeds of 60,000 kilometers per hour, it may take us around 30 million years to get there. Gliese 667 cc. Floating at 23 light-years away from Earth, in the constellation of Scorpius, Gliese 667 cc orbits a trinary star system within their habitable zone. It is probably 3 times heavier than Earth. The equilibrium temperature is calculated to be 4.3 degrees Celsius, fairly cold but habitable. It's likely tidally locked to its star, with one side permanently facing it, and the other shrouded in darkness. Discovered in 2011, this planet is not considered Earth-like now due to certain discoveries of more such planets. So, these are the 4 top contenders I could come up with that may be habitable. But again, it would be a lot better if we could just preserve the Earth and stay in it for as long as we can. In the next video, we will discuss more interesting and mysterious topics than this. If you wanna stay tuned, Feel free to like the video and comment down below with your opinion about which planet you found most interesting in this video. Subscribe.